Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a leaf bowl out of air dry clay. Let's get on with the video. What you're going to need is air dry clay, a bowl, parchment paper or newspaper, a rolling pin, an X-Acto knife or any type of knife, paint, a paintbrush, a leaf, a scrap piece of paper, and plastic wrap. The first thing you want to do is that you want to take a piece of plastic wrap and place it inside of the bowl. This will make it easier to pull the leaf out of the bowl when the clay is dry. Then you want to take some air dry clay and roll it out onto a piece of parchment paper or on a piece of newspaper. You want to make sure the clay is thick enough so it won't break. After you're done rolling out the clay, you can take a leaf and press it into the clay with your finger or with a rolling pin. Then you want to carefully go around the leaf with an X-Acto knife or with another type of knife to cut off the extra clay. Make sure to be careful so you don't ruin your surface. When you're done removing the extra clay, you can put a little bit of water on your finger, and then you can smooth out the sides. Then you can take the clay off of the paper, and if you need to, you can smooth out the bottom of the leaf with water, so you can get rid of any cracks on the bottom. And then you want to carefully place the clay inside of the bowl. Once you have the clay sitting how you want it, you want to wait for the clay to dry, and you want to follow the instructions on your air dry clay to figure out how long the clay will dry. When the clay is dry, you can take it carefully out of the bowl, and then you want to pull off the plastic wrap. Then you can lay out a scrap piece of paper and paint the leaf any color that you want. I made 2 leaf bowls. I painted one completely gold, and for the other one, I only painted the sides and the bottom of the bowl gold. You don't have to paint the bottom of your bowl. It's an optional step you can do. When the paint is dry, you can do whatever you would like with your bowl. Like you can put an LED candle on it, or you could put jewelry on it. And that's how you make a leaf air dry clay bowl. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!